Now let's create our new company, that is Ravi Textiles. But first of all, I'll also explain you how to close the existing company that is already opened in Peachtree. So I'll go to Peachtree. Right now I'm logged into Xandredis. So I'll go to File and I'll click on Close the Company first. So you will see this main prompt that we also saw in the starting when we installed the Peachtree. So from here, I'll click on Create a New Company and click Next. Now the product that we will be using is Peachtree Quantum version because this has most advanced functions, particularly related to manufacturing and inventory. Click Next. Now my company name is Ravi Textiles. So I'll name it as Ravi Textiles, and since this is a private limited company, okay, just leave it as Ravi Textiles. Now this is the only compulsory field. So address line, we will leave all the other fields as it is. And this is sole proprietorship. So I'll click on Next. Select the method to create your company. Now we used what most of the companies choose, that is sample business type. I'll select sample business type that closely matches our company requirements. So it will automatically create all the required journal ledgers that we will be using in future. So I'll select the business type as manufacturing company and click Next. Now the most useful accounting method is obviously accrual accounting. Click Next. Now this time I'll not be using smart posting. Real-time posting says each transaction is posted as it is entered and saved. Batch transaction means transactions are saved then posted as a group in the second step. Now in smart posting, they sometimes post it in the second step. So this gives a chance for the review for accuracy before posting. Now in smart posting, let's read. Transactions are saved and then posted automatically in the background by the smart posting service. That means it is after some time. Smart posting allow you to finish a transaction without waiting for it to post. The services ensure that you get the best performance. Now I'll use the real time now and let's see the effect of it. Click on Next and choose an accounting period structure that is of 12 months. My starting period is from January 2020. Click Next. And let's create the company. Now my company is created. I'm on the main screen now. Let's close all the windows, and this is the main interface. I can just customize the dashboard as I customized it for Xandredis, and then we will move forward for ledgers and their opening balances.